Hey, Matthew Palumbo from Stinger here, and today we are talking about Stinger's new HEXCORE line of lighting. Now, more specifically, we're talking about the HeroBar, our top-of-the-line premium offering from the new HEXCORE lineup. One of the coolest things about the new HEXCORE HeroBar is that it is vehicle specific. That's right, we only offer these for certain vehicles that we can guarantee will fit and function the way they're intended to. That means no vibrating, no rattling, no issues with wiring or fitment. One of the other great things about the HEXCORE HeroBar is its controller. These come with an included controller that can be mounted horizontally or vertically and include controls for on and off, high and low beam, as well as switching the halos from white to amber, all in one small, nice looking little controller that can be placed just about anywhere. Now, maybe the included controller is just not your thing. You don't want another switch on your dash. That's okay. If you drive a truck that has, say, factory upfitter switches, we also include an accessory harness that you can unplug the controller, plug in the accessory harness, and wire the light bar straight to those accessory or aux switches that are already built into your truck. Or maybe you've got a Stinger Horizon Series head unit and you want to control it from there. Also doable with that same harness. Lastly, maybe you've got another control method already installed in the vehicle. You've already got switches or a multi-switch panel, something like that. You can also wire the HEXCORE HeroBar to those existing switch methods. The functionality of these HeroBars is amazing. Not only do they put out a ton of light, they are a combo beam. So you have light going straight ahead of the vehicle as well as flood pattern off to the left and right side. So you get a really nice wide spread of light that looks great in front of just about anything. These things are built rugged and they've got awesome functionality. They do not have the noise issues that most light bars present. They don't have the water or moisture issues that you've seen with lots of lights in the past. And they have some really cool ambient DRL lighting built in. Speaking of those ambient DRLs, these are the halo rings that are built into every one of those 6-inch pods that make up this HeroBar. What's cool is they can be either white or amber, but they have a switchback functionality, meaning you can have these wired so that they are, say, white as you're just driving down the road, but as you put on your turn signal, maybe the left side of the bar flashes with the left turn signal in amber. And then when you put the turn signal off, the lights all go back to white. It's up to you how you want to wire in those amber white switchback DRLs. Arguably, one of the most important features of the HeroBar is its build quality. These lights are mounted with stainless steel brackets made in the USA to a solid stainless steel tube that's actually, again, made down in Florida, right here in the US. So this is not some hollow, flimsy tube that's going to be wobbling around and having lights go all over the place and end up being, crooked and looking all goofy on your roof. These are going to stay perfectly in place. They mount beautifully to the vehicle, and everything is built in a way that we make sure we can offer that extended length warranty and stand behind these products for a long, long time to come. Well, there you have it. I'm Matthew Palumbo from Stinger, and those are all the reasons you should be checking out that new HEXCORE series of lighting, specifically the new HeroBar. And for more information, be sure to check out stingerdrive.com. Thanks so much. We'll see you on the next one.